Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new video. Not a cut project yet anyway. We have a couple unboxings to do. I will try and make them quick. I know that my junk journaling fetish isn't for everybody. But these are two of my absolute favorites that come every month. So I wanted to show you what's in them. The other thing I wanted to say is this is also to plug a fellow YouTuber. I'm a humongous fan of his. I discovered him a few months ago, thanks to YouTube just recommending one of his videos that I've never heard of him, I'd never heard of his videos. Checked it out and I'm so hooked on this guy. I know that sounds weird. He is probably the same age as my son, so you know, nothing creepy about that. He's a talented artist and he loves doing YouTube videos and he tries different things even if he's not at all familiar with them. And he's so funny. That's the thing. You will see comment after comment about how his failures are almost more entertaining than his successes, but all his videos are hysterically funny and wonderful, and I cannot recommend him enough. So I will put the name of the channel and his name, the one and the same, right here on the screen. It's Anthony Crammon. I will link to his channel below and a couple of my favorite recent videos of his just to give you a taste. And if you find anything you like, please give him a thumbs up, give him a subscription, give him a comment or two, tell him I sent you, show him some love. He's a really amazing YouTuber and he needs all people to be watching his channel. That's my opinion, but yeah, there you go. So on we go to unboxings. This is the one I cannot pronounce, Our Atelier, I believe. And I love how they come every month. They come with a wax seal, which I think I can rip off. I've been putting them in my journal, so I'll do that with this one at some point. Save the twine. And then we have some hints as to what's in our box. Yes, that is my name. I've included it below in the description a number of times on these videos as a, you know, please write me a letter thing. Because, yeah, I'm desperate. I like getting mail. What can I say? And so I will show you my name here. I won't black it out this time or cover it up. But it looks like this is a ticket for the price of 1 franc to the 1889 Paris World Expo. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. Clearly, Paris. There's some other dates on here, and yeah, let's take a look at what's in this box. Oh, and this is handmade paper. They always cover it with a sheet of handmade paper, which I haven't tried to do yet. Anthony Crammon has a handmade paper video. He just tried it recently, and that's another one of those that's really worth watching. Okay, here we go. Just gonna dump it all out and go through it quickly. So very much like many of the graphics on the cover sheet, we have the actual stamps themselves. So pretty much I can recreate everything that was here, including my ticket and that beautiful stamp. So we'll have to try a couple of those. I have my fake acrylic block. So instead of using an acrylic block like many stampers do for stamps like this that just stick onto a flat, shiny surface, so they use an acrylic block. I use resin because goodness knows I have a lot of this around. Okay. So then we have some scenes. Yeah, Paris of that era, I'm guessing. Very pretty. Oh, look. Huh. Okay, who watched the Lavender Hill Mob? Again, totally dates me. I'm old. This comes into play in the Lavender Hill Mob. So if you've seen it, you'll understand. If you haven't seen it, this will mean absolutely nothing to you and just disregard. I love that movie. Love Alec Guinness. Okay, I'm guessing this is a washi tape roll. What do you think? Whoa, look at that. It's multiple washi tape rolls. Looks like a bunch of different types of, well, newspaper articles. I'm trying to decipher the language. I do not recognize the alphabet, although there is the word everything on this one. So different newspapers, clearly. Does not show what's on the stamp. That's interesting. Because it's this. It's actually handwriting. So we'll have to try that and see what it says. That's unusual. Usually the picture on the back tells you what it actually is a stamp of. Okay. Now we're getting to, I hope, ooh, stickers. This is my favorite part. I'm a sticker person. Almost said a bad word. Starts with a W. I love stickers. They just make life so much easier. I'm not into glue. Some people really like glue. I'm not a glue fan. It's you know, sticky. Okay, none of these are stickers. As near as I can tell, they're all different types of papers. That looks like a very nice rice paper. And, oh, this may be. No, it's not. The back feels the same as the front. That's a clue. That's my September. That goes in there. I used August in last month's video, so we'll put September in there. So these are just a bunch of different papers. This is a pad. This is almost, oh, it's got numbers, sequential numbers on it. That's interesting. So it's like a ticket book almost. Maybe these will be stickers. I can hope. I bought like a package of 12 glue sticks because, you know, the price is better. So yeah, I'm not short on glue. I would rather it be stickers. Some of these definitely are. These beautiful ladies here on stamp shape stickers. Those are gorgeous. And then we have these here with the gilding. Le Petit Journal. Okay, that's a sticker. So anything with a shiny back in this packet is a sticker. And then there are other tags. These are papers. Just lots of things you can use in a junk journal. The images are just beautiful. Ticket, travel ticket, and a receipt for paper articles. I appreciate those of you who are watching this, I really do. Will I put these on a cup? I don't know. So far in this box, I haven't really seen anything that lends itself well to being on a cup. That could change. I mean, that's certainly beautiful. This feels like plastic almost. Homeopathic medicines, fancy articles and stationery. So this is your creative studio. These are both, let's see, it's almost the end of August, so I'm guessing these are September. Well, especially since the calendar in this one was for September. Duh. So this one looks to be about, well, squirrels or nature. And a nice thank you. Oh, this is different. Oh, I kind of like the tissue paper better, but okay. Antique bookstore. Huh. Material paper of retro page. Okie dokie then. Ooh. Would we be lucky enough to get stickers? I'm thinking no. Oh well. Looks like there are a few of each. Different looks to them. And Barefoot Days. Little verses for very little people. Water lilies. So very pretty. Old papers. Not a pad. Okay, this is a cling stamp. Ah, there's our squirrel. So we do have a squirrel stamp. You can paste these in a journal and write a little note. It's very cute. It's our buddy, the little squirrel again. This is vintage tag. Oh, those are pretty. You know, different shapes and pictures. Yeah, they've even got the little circles you can punch out and tie them with, oh, I don't know, some twine maybe. Onto a journal, onto presents. Christmas is coming, people. Paper hidden copies. I don't know what that means. The Beatles! Look, it's my ticket. I can finally go see the Beatles at the Washington Coliseum. Oh. Well, that would make me happier than you could ever imagine. Queen, okay. Led Zeppelin. Oh, this is very cool. The Ramones. Oh, who else? Who else can we go see now? The Dodgers. Okay. Jimi Hendrix. Ah. More Beatles. Wow. 2 different concerts. Rolling Stones. All right. More Beatles at the Hollywood Bowl. This looks to be something with a squirrel. I wonder if we're ever going to get any stickers. 2 boxes now, and I'm starting to wonder about the whole sticker thing. Yep, these are stickers. Hey, that's wonderful. Look at the owl. Oh, I'm going to put him aside so we put him in the journal because he's adorable. Washi tape. Come on. Ooh, that's kind of pretty, and it very, very definitely black and white. These are definitely stickers cut out already. Our buddy the squirrel, looks of it. So probably also stickers. These are different stamps from different countries. That's very nice. Seems to feature nature. Notepad, vintage notepad. And different scenes. Looks like 3 different scenes and multiple pages of each. It doesn't look handmade, but it's certainly artisanal looking, I guess. Rustic looking. Nice texture. Different inclusions. To go with our squirrel, we have a bunny. Let's find a good page. We'll put some of these in it. Can't possibly be coming to the end here. There's just no way I've used up all the pages in this thing yet. Just not possible. Here's this one. So let's add this little toadstool to the page. Put him up there. Okay. Owl. September. Let's put September here. That is not a sticker. So I'll get out my Elmer's glue stick real quick. Yeah. Come on. Zimbabwe, $1.20 owl stamp. Well, he certainly goes here. Come on, you can do it. Okay, I'll just put one of these in here, and it won't be used as a tag in this case. It's just going to be stuck in a book. Like that. This isn't all that exciting. It's very thin. For this night only. Ooh. Probably missed that. So I'm guessing this is a bunch of ads, maybe. I guess it looks cool. So why not, right? This is not what the stamp itself looks like, so. Yeah, it's a bunch of handwriting. Okay, well, that's interesting, I guess. Put him there, right next to it. And then we'll try and do both. Let's see how that works. Okay. There they are. Oh, they're cute. That's us. Oh, it's 2 squirrels. I thought it was a bunny. I don't think that's a bunny. I think it's a squirrel from the front and a squirrel from the side. I think so. What do you guys think? 2 squirrels, right? So much for that bunny idea. Okay. Let's see if I can get this. Of course, an acrylic stamp or acrylic block would be clear. I'll give you a little more preview option there. Ta-da! It's the Leaning Tower of Eiffel. All right, folks, we're gonna call it here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, your mission now is to go to Anthony Craman's channel, love his videos, subscribe to his channel, click on like, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a safe day, and I'll see you in the next video.